Hello everyone and welcome to a walkthrough video of TradeGrade, which is a trading journal platform which helps you record your trades, analyze them, and helps you make a better trader. So this is the basic landing page. We'll look at it at the end of the video. Let's first of all log in. When you hit the login button, you can see you can log in through two ways, that is email address and password, or through Google. I'll hit the sign in button. So once I hit the sign in button, I get an OTP because I have enabled the two-factor authentication, which is a premium feature of us. So I'll put the OTP. So as soon as I put my OTP and hit the enter button, I'll log in. So this is the dashboard, and we have tried to summarize all of our trading journals data on this page in a compact way with the help of cards. So let's see one by one on what card what data is present. So the first card is trades and investment card. On this card, you can see total trades, wins and losses, and percentage win rate. In the next part, you can see total investment and not capital invested. Capital investment you can see in the next part, which is funds, returns, and ROI. Under that, you can see capital invested, returns on that capital, current value of capital invested, and whatever the amount you have put into your trading account, not capital invested, whatever amount you have put on that, what returns you have got, that is ROI on the initial amount. The next card is total profit and loss, and below that is average profit and loss. Then in the next card you can see average risk to reward ratio, then best instrument, which instrument has given you the most profit, then total fees, which includes brokerage fees and all, then performance points, average gain, average loss, streaks and day performance, that current streak of wins and losses, then best day, worst day, and etc. Next is an equity curve. So this curve helps you analyze that whether you are making progress or you are just wasting your time doing trading. Next card is strategy performance. Which strategy has performed the best and which strategy is not working out, that you can see with the help of this chart. Next chart is the emotional state versus performance chart. With the help of this chart, you can see at what emotional state you were when you purchased the trade, and how that went. Like when I was calm, I was having good profit. When I was greedy, I was making more of a loss. So that's the emotional state versus performance card. Next card is performance by hour of day. So with the help of this card, we can analyze our productivity, at what time of the day we are most productive. Next cards are goals, playbooks, and rules. We will add some custom playbooks, rules, and goals which we want to set for ourselves, and that data we can see here. These are individual pages. We will see them. Next are top 5 winning trades, most common mistakes that we have performed, and the recent trades that we have done. So let's go to the funds page. So in this, on this page, we can see total capital that we have put into our account, then available capital that we can invest, and invested capital that we have already invested out of this total capital, and the current value of this invested capital. So next page is the trades page. On this page we can add trades, and we can filter them. Whatever trades that we have performed, that we can see on this page, and we can add some filters and see accordingly. So let's add some trade. Also, before adding the trade, we can fill a pre-trade checklist, whether we have identified a clear setup, or we are not revenge trading, whether the risk to reward ratio is good and all. I'll skip it for now. I'll add some random data. I'll skip some optional parts. Also, you can validate your trade with the help of AI. You can add some trading notes, lessons learned, and save the trade. So here you can see the trade, and then all of the depending values will be calculated. So this is the page of individual trade details. You can see the psychology and all. You can analyze this particular trade. You can journal this particular trade. You can watch journal. This is a premium feature. What went right, what went wrong, specific improvement suggestion you can get on this trade. Also, you can find a similar trade and analyze if this kinds of trades and this kinds of strategies work well for you. Like for this Wipro short trades, I have 20 similar trades. Win rate is 70% and average profit and loss that we can see here. So this was it for this trade details. So next page is the calendars page. On this calendar page, you can see total trading days, total trades that you have performed, your winning days, losing days, and also you can see a calendar heat map based on which you can analyze your profits and all, and you can write a daily summary as well, that how you were feeling on this trading day, market sentiment, trading summary, lessons learned, and etc. So let me save and let's move to the next section, which is the statistics page. On this page you can see total trades, win rate, total profit and loss, average win, average loss, profit factor, and all of these charts like monthly profit and loss trend, strategy win rates, best trading, and extreme days. The statistics you can see on this page. Let's move to the next page, which is analytics page. Here we can see our current win streak, current loss streak, weekday performance in terms of numbers like profit and loss, our strategy performance breakdown, and risk management matrix, average risk per trade that we have performed, average risk to reward ratio, and risk consistency. Next part is the risk calculator. You can calculate the risk on every trade before performing that trade. I'll put some value just to showcase you. And I'll hit calculate, then you can see the results of the calculation. So that's about the risk calculator page. Let's move on to the playbooks page. So the playbooks, these are basically trading setups that you can add on your own, and you can see on that playbook how much profit you have earned, what is your success rate, your average profit and loss, how many times you have used. I have average success rate of 76% and so on. So this is the playbooks page. Next page is the strategies page. This is the very important page. On this page you can see the most profitable strategy, the strategy which have caused you the loss the most, and the performance chart of each strategy. You can see here win rate by strategy, trade distribution, that which strategy you have used the most and all, and as per strategy you can see the data, total trades, how many you have taken based on that strategy, total profit and loss, your profit factor, your average win, average loss, and etc. So this is the strategies page. Next is the rules page. So in this page you can set your custom rules for yourselves that you need to follow, you think you need to follow based on exit, risk management, and entry. As you can see here, you can categorize these risks. So this is the trading rules page. Next is the mistakes page. On this page you can see what all mistakes you have performed, what is the most common mistake, and the distribution of mistakes based on the category, that is behavior, cognitive, psychological, and standard mistakes. And you can also add your custom mistakes and see in terms of frequency what mistakes you perform while taking the trades. So the next page is the goals page. You can set your goals and track them automatically. You can set the due date. Next page is the AI insights page. This page helps you analyze with the help of AI, find the patterns in your trading, analyze your mistakes. Also, a monthly summary you can get with this AI insights, and also start date, end date, your strategies, instrument type. Based on these factors, you can filter and analyze with the help of AI. Next is the imports page. You can do one thing, you can download this template, whatever trades that you have journaled in your Excel sheet or JSON. You can put all this data according to this legend and format in this template, and you can import or upload this template in this part here, and all of your trades that you already have journaled will be added in this TradeGrade platform. Next one is the communities page. In this community page, you can be a part of a community. You can post your strategies which work well for you, and you can help other traders to achieve success. So that's a trading community page. Next is settings. You can uh, set your preferences. You can set a two-factor authentication on your account. Then you can change your password. You can set notification preferences, like you may want your daily summary, you may want your weekly report and AI insights that you have generated onto your email. You can set it here. Next is trading preferences that you want to set by default, so this you can set here. Next is the billing, on which if you are on the free tier you can upgrade your tier from here according to these prices. This is the broker integration part. You can integrate with your broker. Next is data and privacy section, where you can export your data, you can contact our support, or you can delete your account. So this was a basic walkthrough, very basic, very high level part I have explained in this walkthrough. Let me just log out. You can see a comparison between a paper journal and TradeGrade here, and you can see our premium features. Also we have a voice journaling feature that I forgot to show you all. Next is our pricing or tiers cards. So these are what things you get with a free tier. You can only add 3 trades per month. Community access is read only. Then calendar features, you get basic heat maps and not adding daily summaries and etc. You can go through this. The link is in the description for this. Then you can see what all things you get with our premium, that is a visual calendar, heat map, then unlimited goals and rules, mistakes you can add, unlimited trades you can add, trade comparison tool, then fund management, two-factor authentication, email notifications, etc. So these are the testimonials. So that was it for this basic walkthrough. There are a lot of features that I may have not shown. Go to the description, and through that link you can always explore this platform. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.